I'm going to make this video very short and I'm going to make it straight to the point, okay? So this is a green screen video right here, and I want to change the background of this video from this green screen to my own background. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to import the background you want to use, okay? So just like this, I want to use this background right here, okay? And now you're going to click on pip. Once you click on pip, you're going to import the green screen video itself. So this is the green screen video. I have imported it, and then you're going to resize it to which size of the screen you want it to be. For me, I want it to be full screen, so I'm going to resize it. And then you're going to locate Chroma, okay? You're going to locate Chroma now. Click on that, and an icon is going to display on your screen. Just drag it to the green screen section, okay? And that is going to remove the green screen and the background is going to be showing. You can also adjust the strength and the shadow until you're okay with it, okay? So once that is done, you're just going to click on the mark icon, okay? And that is it. Your green screen video has been changed to a normal video, and it can now work with the background. So this is the end result. And if I scroll back now, the first video here is what this green screen actually used to look like, and the other video there is after the editing. So this is how you do it.